We're going to show you how to install the smart light switch. First, turn off the light switch in the circuit breaker. Make sure there's no power going through the light switch, and then you can proceed to remove the switch. The neutral wire is required for the smart light switch. Make sure there's a neutral wire in your wall box. If there's no neutral wire, you should stop and contact the seller. Take the neutral wire from the smart light switch and connect them by wire nut. Connect the wires as indicated in the picture: black to live, brown to another live, white to neutral, green to ground wire. You can set the smart light switch back to the wall and screw it in. Power on the light switch. Press the main button for 5 seconds, until the indicator blinks rapidly. Open the PlusMinus-App. Select Smart Switch option. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Input the correct Wi-Fi password and continue. Now you can rename your switch and control it. You can power on and off the switch and set multiple schedules as you want.